Hello everyone, this is Andy from SPROLINK. Today I'm going to show you the operation video of MD2. Now let's switch on the MD2. Short press the button. It switch on. Then short press again. It means locked. And then short press again. It means unlock. Then when you long press the button, it means you will shut down the device. Okay, now let's move to the scene setting. Firstly, let's get into the scene setting. Okay, choose a scene, for example, scene 3. Then in the right, you can set the scene. Then you can confirm. Then back to the main interface. Now you can see the scene setting. Okay, now let's get into the switch mode. In the left side, HDMI in green color and scene 1 in red color. So click here. The HDMI turn to red. It means it's switched to the program. Then you click scene 1. Click again. Scene 1 switch to the program. I would like to introduce the easy mode. Click PVW. Then change to easy mode. HDMI 1, click. The HDMI 1 turn to red, so it switched to the program directly. Then click again, scene 1. So the scene 1, click, switch to the program. Okay, now let me introduce some icons of the MD2. The first two are for the streaming, so you can stream it directly. The third one and fourth one and the fifth one are for the screenshot, recording, and the playback. And the last one is for audio. So you can adjust the audio. For example, the program. And HDMI 1, HDMI 2. You can turn on and turn off. And the microphone. Last one is earphone. So you can adjust the volume of the audio. Okay, last one, I would like to introduce the transition effect. Click the PVW. There are a lot of the transition effects here. And under the transition effect, the easy mode and PVW mode. And in the right side, there are the three speeds: slow, medium, and fast. And also you can find the duration and some normal transition effect. So this is the transition effect. Firstly, click the media. We will find the logo, LUT, text, and background. So you can add logo or background. And in the left side, you can find the three main icons for the media. Then back to the normal. You will find the three logo in the right side and one background here. Click the top menu. You will find the input, output, streaming, and system menu. Firstly, for the input, you can find input 1 and input 2 resolution and text pattern. And output 2, you can find the output format, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. And also in the third one is the streaming. So you can enter the streaming key. Last one is the system. You can find the Wi-Fi. Click Wi-Fi here. You can enter the Wi-Fi by the password. So this is the introduction of the top menu. Okay, now let's move to the key feature, the streaming. Click the top menu. Enter to the system. Click the Wi-Fi here. And find the Wi-Fi. Enter the password. Then auto join. And wait a second. Now the Wi-Fi is connected. Then you can do the streaming. Okay, now let's move to the key feature, the streaming. Firstly, click the top menu, enter to the streaming, then scan the QR code. After scanned, enter the server address and also the streaming code here. Then save, then you can do the streaming. The second way is to use a USB disk or SD card to fill in the streaming key. Create a new text document on the USB disk or SD card. Copy the streaming code to the document. Use the Enter key to separate the streaming key, and then connect the USB disk or SD card to the device to synchronize the streaming code. Okay, now let's move to another feature. Slide left to right to hide the menu. Slide top and down to hide the bottom menu. Double click to hide the top menu. Okay, this is the brief introduction of the MD2 operation video. If you would like to know more about these products, please contact us. And also you can check our website. Thank you for watching.